When you're looking for something random to do, check out this channel. Today's video, I'm just going to show you how I grow green onion in my kitchen. So, I've already started growing these, but I need to replant them, and I'm just going to show you how I do that. So I'm going to take all of these ones, and I just cut these yesterday. You cut them off, leave a good amount of the stalk on there so they're easier to get going. So we have a whole bunch here, and what I'm going to do is just take a piece of plastic like so, like that, and I'm just gonna poke holes in it like so with the end of my knife. And I'm gonna take one of these and I'm just gonna stick it through the hole like so. So there's one. And I'm just gonna keep doing this for all of these pieces of green onion. So I've got two going through. Just gonna take this plastic and just try and remember how big your container is when doing this. So it's gonna go on my container like this. See? And I'm just gonna poke a few holes like so. Poke more than you need, honestly, because you're going to have more green onion you can always put in here. So poke as many as you want. And after you've poked all the holes through, just push your garlic through the holes you poked. Not garlic, my bad, green onion. And there's one more. There we go. I bet there's a better way to do this. But this is just the way that I do it. And it works perfectly fine for me. There we go. So we're almost done here. We just got this last one to do. Let's find a hole for it. There's one right here. And basically I'm just sticking them through the holes and pulling them out the other side. I broke a piece off, that's okay. Eat it. Because it's good. Green onion is good. We did it. Bing. There we go. So now that we got all of our green onion poked through our holes, alright? Make sure they're all in there nice and tight. We're going to take a container like this, and we're just going to fill this up with clean water. Pretty tall. Because I just want the bottoms of the roots to sit in there. Now I'm just going to take this and I'm going to lay it over top of this water. And that's all you need to do. Your green onion will now start growing. You just got to stick it in a window. But I'm gonna first take this rubber band and I'm gonna use it to help tighten the plastic down, because I'm not using a glass jar. Normally we use a glass jar, and a glass jar works the best. You'll get something that looks like this. You got a rubber band, nicely tied around it, see? And look at how just the roots are just kind of sitting in the water. I'm gonna put this in my window. There we go. Thank you for watching my video. Tune in for the next one. If you would like to see me do something special, write it down in the comments. Like and subscribe.